Okay, so the next thing that we are going to cover is comparison of two rational numbers. So you have two rational numbers with you. Now, how will you compare whether which one is greater and which one is smaller? So, few things that we follow. First of all, as we know, as normally we know that negative number is smaller than the positive number. So, negative rational number is smaller than 0 and positive rational number. Okay, so if I have a number minus 64 by 73 and another number as say 1 by 2, so we can directly say that this number is smaller to 1 by 2 just because it is a negative number. Okay, so this is the easiest way. Okay, when one number is negative, one number is positive, then we can directly just see, okay, whenever the negative number, that will be smaller and the positive number will be bigger. Now we will see how to identify which one is bigger when both numbers are positive. Okay, both the rational numbers are positive. How we will identify? So say I have a number 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Denominator of both the numbers is same. Okay, this is a key point. Denominator should be same. When denominator is same, whichever rational number's numerator is bigger, that rational number will be bigger than the other one. Okay, so both denominators are equal. In this rational number, this is 3 and this is 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So that means 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. Okay, one more example. We have 6 by 7 and we have 11 by 7. Okay, since denominator is equal, whichever's numerator is greater, so 11 by 7, 11 is greater than 6, so that means 11 is greater than 6 by 7. Okay, so this is one condition when, I will write here, when denominator are equal. Okay, now we will see what will happen when both numbers are positive but okay, so denominators are different. So what will happen then? So let's take an example. We have 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now I have to identify which of the rational number is greater. Denominator is different. So what we will do is we will try to make denominators equal. So for that, what we will do is we will find the LCM. Okay, so LCM will be 6. So 6 is the LCM. Now what we have to do is we have to make the denominator of this rational number also 6 and this rational number also 6. So how we can do is, we have found the LCM. Okay, LCM is 6. Now we will pick up this denominator and we will divide it by the LCM. 6 by 3, we got 2. So that means if I multiply this number by 2, I will get the LCM as, I will get the denominator as 6. So what I will do is, I will do 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. Okay, we are allowed to do this. We are allowed to do this, correct? We can cancel it out, it will be 1 by 1. So we are allowed to do this. So it will come up to 2 by 6. Okay, so we converted 1 by 3 to 2 by 6. Similarly, this 1 by 2 we have to convert in the denominator of 6. So what we will do is, we will same way what we did for the first one, we will do for the second one. We will divide it by the LCM, so it will be 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 3, it will be 3 by 6. Okay, so 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 6. So now two numbers which I have is 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Now denominators are equal. So what we can do? Denominators are equal. So we can use the same formula that we were using. So if denominator is equal and it's a positive number, so whichever numbers, rational numbers, numerator is bigger, that is the bigger number. So 3 by 6 is bigger than 2 by 3. And so what will happen if both numbers are negative? So let's take an example. I have a number, say okay, so denominator for both the number is same and both are negative number. Now in negative, we know in number line this one is less than, -2 is less than -1, correct? So as we go towards the left side, the number value decreases, okay? They are less and here it is more. So similarly, if negative numerator is greater, that means it is a smaller number. Okay, so since denominator is equal, here I have -2 and -1. Since -2 is less than -1, that means this rational number is also less than this rational number. Am I making sense? Let's take one more example. Say I have -4 by 5 and another -2 by 5. Denominator is equal. Okay, so we have another example, this one. Okay, denominator is equal, both are negative. So as we have learned earlier, negative number, which is like -4, is always less than -2. So this will be okay. Is it clear? Now similarly, what we did in the positive, if both are of different numerator, say I have this, what I will do, I will take the LCM. LCM will come up to 6. Okay, so first of all I will change this. So LCM I know is 6. I will divide 6 by 3, which will come to 2. So both -2 by 3 into 2 by 2, which will be -4 by 6. Okay, so this number changes to this. For this one we have 6 by 2, it will be 3. So that means -1 by 2 into 3 by 3, which will be -3 by 6. So this one changes to this. Now numbers which I have are 4 by 6 and -3 by 6. Denominator is same. So in negative scenario, smaller the denominator, smaller the numerator number, I'm not talking about the sign, this it will be the greater one. So since 3 is smaller than 4, it will be like this. Hope this is clear.